Hey guys, it's me again. So good to see you. Now just so you know, this video is being shot not long after I edited my last video, so I don't really know how it did. Let's just hope it did well or at least okay. Now if it did not, I really need your help in sharing the word. If you choose to help me out, thanks a lot. If you choose not to, no worries, just enjoy this video. Now let's come to today's video. Now to be honest, I don't really know why I'm making this video. This is probably the easiest video I'll make. I'm only doing it because when I was away, a few of you requested it. You asked me how do I make my glasses glow in my thumbnails. So it was actually inspired from animes when characters usually say something smart, their glasses have a glare, and that sort of caught my eye and I tried to recreate it. Now doing this is really easy. Step 1 is that you have your picture taken with glasses, of course. Step 2 is that you import your picture into Photoshop or any other editing software that you use. Now click on this button right here and create a new blank layer above your picture. Now what you have to do is press P. This will get you access to the pen tool. Now with the help of pen tool, create an outline around the lenses and create a shape of your glasses. Now this does not have to be exactly precise, but make sure you're not making some weird shapes. Now click on the new layer. Make sure the new layer is selected and not the picture below. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Now this will turn your pen path into a selection. Now if you want to look like a noob, just press B, get the brush tool and paint it white. But here's a quick tip, while still having your selection, press Shift plus F5. This will open a fill dialog box. The fill dialog box has multiple options, but all you need right now is to select the white color option. Now as soon as you click on OK, this will turn your lenses white. Now all you need to do is make it look like a glare. Now to make your glare look like a reflection as they do in anime, you have to erase a portion of your lenses. You can do this by using the eraser tool or also the masking tool. Now if you want to know a little more about masking, check out this video I made a couple months ago. Now that you're happy with your glare, all you need to do is add glow to it, which means that it's time to add the glowy magic. Now go on, select the glare layer. That rhymed. Okay, select the glare layer, right click and select convert to smart object. This will allow you to add effects over your layer. Now there are multiple ways you can add glow to this layer, but we'll choose the easiest way. Now double click on this layer and this dialog box will open. Now click on the checkbox right beside the glow option. Click on the glow option, now you have your settings. Now dial in your settings and you're good to go. The settings are really just your choice, but here are mine if you want to follow along. And there you go, that's it. That's how you turn your photograph into an anime character. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press that like button and press the subscribe button. See you again, until next time, goodbye. Oof. Whoa. What the fuck just happened?
こんにちは。あなたがまだここにいるな。あなたは次に来るまで知っています。それで、あなたは準備ができていますか？